taking life in stride. Woke up this morning, heard her drip no more. The fountain she knew was quiet on the floor. So I grabbed an old pump, gave it a try, built a blue bowl fountain neath the open sky. Ceramic calm with glass like dew, a shimmering stage in a shade of blue. Set it down gentle, let the water roll. She crept up slow like it might steal her soul. She's got the blue bowl blues, don't know what to do. Tail twitching like lightning, cautious through and through. One paw for the other, holding back, staring at the shimmer like it's ready to attack. Oh, she's brave but not a fool, dealing with the mystery of her brand new pool. She's got the blue bowl blues. Glass pebbles glowing like stars in the deep. She circles round quiet like secrets she keeps. Nose close to water, ears on high alert. One wrong splash and she's off in a blur.